Searching for the best auto body shop in the Georgetown, Texas Weir area? If you are searching for an auto body repair shop in Georgetown's Weir area, you have probably been in a wreck. As the careless driving of numerous car owners is getting typical, the accidents are definitely unavoidable. In these mishaps, in some cases the whole car is harmed or the body surface area deals with the impact. Watch this auto body shop video and where, if you are fortunate, both you and your vehicle will not get impacted from a mishap and emerge without a scratch. Nevertheless, even if it's a little mishap, your car may get harmed. If you have actually remained in a mishap and discovered serious damage, take it to a great body store or garage for repair work. Complete auto body quotes near Georgetown's Weir. When a quote is accepted, the work will be done. Ultimately, the moldings and parts are changed and the vehicle is driven to be sure whatever works. You can likewise request included repair work if the outcomes are not acceptable. Complete Auto Body Coverage Car Service Center, like you, aspire to benefit from insurance coverage chances by thoroughly thinking about additionals or incidentals that might occur throughout the evaluation. It would be much better to aim for a greater expense to prevent paying more in the future. Complete auto body equipment high-tech devices is now offered at car service center, like the laser determining system. This system ensures that the repair work is done precisely. Complete auto body technicians, many a times, vehicle mishaps include more than simple external damage. The wheels get destroyed, radiators squashed, exhaust bent and more. You should likewise get the transmission and positioning inspected. The best mechanic in the right store guarantee your car is as good as brand new prior to returning it to you. Complete auto body near my home. Despite the repair work or maintenance done, breakdowns will occur, therefore it's recommended to take it to a garage for a routine checkup. When you are searching for an auto body shop, the last thing you wish to do is employ somebody who is brand new in business or possibly does not have much experience in the market. You likewise wish to discover a store near you so you can quickly get your car repaired rapidly and effectively. Auto body parts. There are numerous dangers you confront with a substandard car repair work. Accident repair work will be costly, however do not let this overwhelm you. With all the dangers included with inexpensive and less than professional repair work, the smarter option will constantly be to have your car fixed and brought back at a reliable and insurance coverage company approved pre-owned vehicle accident center who brings a lot of the parts required to wrap. Get the best auto body paint. An auto body shop's most typical repair work task is painting or repainting a vehicle. Even an easy scratch can make your vehicle appearance unappealing. Some car service center currently utilize an electronic paint matching system that guarantees the brand new paint on your car compare with your old paint completely. With fantastic car body service center around, there is no requirement to fret where and how you will have your car repaired after a mishap. Equipped with high-tech devices nowadays, you can ensure that your car will be fixed rapidly and perfectly. Because of the many services they provide, you just require to send your car to one location for repair work. Auto body collisions usually can replace windshields, so if you're searching for an accident service center, constantly check them out in advance. While it might look like an unneeded inconvenience, you'll quickly see the advantages of discovering a reliable accident repair work service for changing glass, repairing damages, and so on. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.